Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the lock screen on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. The first step you have to do is, please select the settings menu, scroll down, and select the security menu. In here, you will find 5 options where you can choose one of them. If you don't want to apply any lock on your device, you can choose the first option. And then, if you want to apply a swipe as your device lock screen, you can activate the second. And then, if you want to apply pattern as lock screen, you can choose the third option. And if you want to apply pin as your device lock screen, then you can use the fourth option. Finally, if you want to apply password as your device lock screen, and then you can choose the last option. Here I will use swipe as my lock screen, and the lock screen was successfully changed. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the lock screen on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And just for your information, that this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.